Hey guys, PurpleCow346 here, and I have some exciting news. There'll be a bigger video on this later in the week, but my dad says I woke up this morning and I went down to see Rio's cage and open him up and bring him outside, but his cage wasn't there. And recently I've been getting in a lot of trouble, so he told me he gave Rio away. I'll make a big upcoming video next week, or as soon as I can get it out. It'll be really edited and nice. And some other bad news. I'm sorry to make your day more sad, but more bad news is okay, basically the other bad news is that it's April Fool's Day, and I fooled all of you. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.